Good morning, students. In the last class, we had completed with the marginal questions of the part 2, the fall of Troy. Today, we are going to discuss English workshop, page number 47. So, open page number 47 of your English textbook. First question, find and write the Greek and Trojan names used in the story, part 1 and part 2. So, see all these questions you are having in workbook also. So along with the textbook you have to open your workbook also so that you can write directly in your workbook. So the answer is Paris, Hector, King Priam. Okay. Second question, list all the words related to war from both parts of the story. You can write enemy, attack, fortress, ships, protect, defend, brave, soldiers, heroes, siege, etc. Okay. Next question. Note the following constructions carefully and then use them to express your ideas. See the first one, a horse big enough to hold men inside it. So how you will write? A stick long enough to hit tamarinds from tree. Next one, the Greeks were tired of the long war. So, the students were tired of boring lectures. Next, they are afraid of the long voyage home too. We are afraid of terror attacks. Next, they made it too big to go inside your city. They made it too heavy to take inside your house. Next one, they were so excited that they paid no attention to his words. So, they were so thrilled, THRILLED, that they listened to his words carefully. Okay. Now, next, fourth question, put the following events in order in which they took place, number them accordingly. First one, the Trojans found a Greek man under the big wooden horse. Students, around L till L the question sentences are given. You have to write it in a chronological order. Okay. So here I have written the answers for you. You can copy it down. So while writing you can take out the screenshot and then you can write. Okay. Now turn your page. Page number 48. Now in page number 48, the sixth question, identify one example of a main clause and one example of a dependent clause from page 46. Read the entry regarding clause in the language study pages. Now children, the clauses we will do it later. Okay. In details we will do, so I have left that. And to be a writer, these two things I cannot discuss. If it is possible, you can write it your own, otherwise leave as it is. When physical classes starts, at that time I will give you the answer of these questions. Okay. Now open your workbook. Open your workbook. Students, see the workbook page number 76. Okay. Workbook page number 76. Here students, most of the questions I have given you for assignments. So you can copy it down from there and you can fill it up in your workbook. Okay. Now see the question number 5th. Read the following passage and answer the questions given below. Simple factual questions. Complete the following sentences with reference to the passage. When the Trojans dragged him out. Come to page number 77. He pretended to be very frightened of them. Next question. They wanted also to kill me and offer him as a sacrifice to see God, but he escaped and hid from them. Now next children, complex factual question. What did the Trojans do in order to take the horse inside the city? This is what? This is a marginal question, textual question, okay, that I have given you. Next, vocabulary, excitement, excite, speech, speak, wisdom, wise, city, urban. Okay. Next, see grammar. This also I have given you as assignment. The Trojans were delighted to hear this. Add a question tag. Weren't they? He spoke and told them this false tale. Identify the verb and its tense. So spoke is what? Past tense, right? Told is what? Past tense. So it is simple past tense. Next, do you think the way Greeks entered Troy was just? Give reason. The Greeks entered the city with deceit and unfair means. They should have fought a fair war with the great army that they had, although it was foolish of the Trojans who tore down their wall to bring the wooden horse inside the kingdom. This is the answer which you have to write. Okay. Now turn your page. Page number 78. Okay. In page number 78, all I have given it as assignments. Just you have to copy it and write it down. Okay. And the next is what? The workshop, English workshop, which we have discussed everything. So that you are going to fill it up. Okay. This much only is there. Complete your workbook. Thank you.